You're going to need your Scratch project from the last video. Go to your My Stuff folder and then click on it. Go to see inside. You should see the blocks that you created in the last video. Save a copy just in case something goes wrong. Go to File, Save a Copy. And that's it. I'm going to give it a different name. I am going to remix my code so that it looks like a space adventure. There we go. So first, I'm going to change the backdrop. It's not going to be a maze anymore, it's going to be some stars. I go to backdrop. I go down here, and these are all the backdrops you can choose from. I'm going to go for the stars one. You can edit it too. You can draw on it. I'm going to add some more stars. I got some nice yellow ones. Then I'm going to have some smaller red ones. And some even smaller blue ones, lots of those. And you can click back on Hopper and go to the code so you can see it again. I press the green flag to check if the code still works. And if you want all the sprites to come back, press the green flag and press the stop button really quickly and they will all come back. I'm going to change Hopper now. I go to costumes and then I add a new costume. I can go down here or I can search for space. I like this space dog. It's a little bit too small on the stage over there, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to type a higher number. There we go, perfect. I'll just check my code again. And remember, you can just press the green flag and then the red stop button and all the sprites will come back. I'm going to change the egg now. I want the egg to look like Same thing again. Go over here and type in It's too big. So now I'm going to use a smaller number. This will make sure it's the right size. There we go. Test it again. Lots of testing going on. Green flag, red stop to get all of those sprites back. And finally, all the socks need to change into a different space item. I know which sock I'm working on because it goes blue when I click on it. I'm going to type in space and pick a planet. Here we go. It's too small, so I'm going to make it bigger. There we go. And now the next one. See how it turns blue on the stage? I'm going to find a different space thing. A star this time. It's too small. Now I will speed through the rest because you have got it, haven't you? Finally, I can test it. So now I have remixed my code with all my own sprites and backdrops. Have a go yourself. You don't have to do a space theme, you can do any theme. Have fun! Look out for my next video using key presses.